this video, I'm going to show you how to read my reports in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually head over in here on the Analytics tab. So click on this one. And then for that, you can see that I have here reports and live view. So live view actually looks like this. It will show you what it looks like right here on our actual session. So for this one, we just need to click on reports. And then in here, you can see reports right here. So you can see right here, we have categories for finances, acquisition, behavior, customers, and all of these things right here. So you can actually sort this out wherever you want. Like for example, you can click on this right here to sort this by name, category, last view, author right here. So for example, you want to see an actual report for a specific category. So for example, you want to see this online store cart analysis. This on the behavior part of your Shopify, and it can show you some things that is actually available on how your customers use your online store cart. So since this is just a new store, I don't have any reports yet, but you can see in here the actual behavior of those stores, as well as the web performance, customer cohort, and all of these things right here, as well as the gift card balance and sales for that. So for example, the discounts and gift card sales are a boom, then you can continue doing that. So it totally depends on what categories or what plan you have in order to be shown in this. This is because different reports will have different values on different plans. So for example, we have a different plan like Shopify Advanced or Shopify Only. It will display different reports rather than the business class of the Shopify itself. So I can also click on this create custom report, and you can put in here the report title, and you can put in here the report templates, like for example, sales over time. Like click on this custom report, and then in here you should be able to see the actual report that you have right here, which is sales report. They have here a graph and also the day of change and total sales on that specific day right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.